Hello. I just wanted to give you some statistics or some facts to bear in mind when making decisions for PE 2017-18. Firstly, here is the schedule, and we have 8 days and 6 blocks going down. Now, PE have asked that all classes be a double block. So, PE has 6 blocks per 8-day rotation allocated to it. Because they want a double block for PE, that would mean it would occur 3 times per rotation. Because of 6 blocks, if it's a double block, that would take it down to 3 lessons per rotation allocated to it. Also, to bear in mind that in the whole schedule, we have 48 blocks per rotation in which to be able to allocate classes. So for the whole school, in a whole 8-day rotation, given that we have 6 blocks, we have 48 blocks in which classes can be put into it. Now, because we have 48 blocks, it means that we, and PE requires a double block each time. It means that actually they have 24 blocks from which to choose from. The first thing we need to speak about is the swimming blocks. And from what PE have discussed with us yesterday in the meeting, we have swimming once a rotation for grades 1 all the way to grades 10. The amount of sections per each grade is given here. So for grade 1, we have 3 sections, grade 2, 3, and so on, all the way down to grade 9, where we have 2 sections per year, and grade 10, we have 3 sections per year. That gives us a total of 24 sections that we have to work with. So 24 sections will all need swimming once a rotation, which means we would need 24 double blocks of swimming per rotation. And then if you had to translate that into the schedule, it would mean 48 blocks of the schedule would be for swimming, which means that every single block is used up in the swimming pool. The swimming pool would be busy for every single block of the schedule. Currently, I don't think that happens, so I'm not sure how this fact is that we have swimming once a rotation, but this is the information. Okay. Then if I have a look here, we can fit that in, but it will mean that according to PE, whenever we have swimming from grades 4 to grades 10, they require an additional teacher because the girls cannot swim at the same time as the boys. And so half of the class or part of the class will have to go off while the other class swim. So for grade so one teacher would take the swimming, and another teacher would have to take the students, which means that if the swimming pool was booked for 48 blocks as they've requested, you would need a full-time swimming teacher at the pool all the time. Secondly, let's look at the remainder of the blocks. So, if 2 blocks of the 6 are used up for swimming, there will be 4 blocks left per rotation to be used up for PE. These blocks have got to be doubled up. In other words,